It's nice to have a lovely assistant like Jolene to peel this tape off, but she is doing the other job of the camera work. Aren't you, Jolene, baby?
Yeah.
Yes, she is, she says. All right. On the ends, I do not worry about the ends until the end. It's almost like gutter. I wait till the end. All righty. So basically I'm going to run it a little bit long. That stuff sticks when you get it on there. Just make sure you... don't really want to pull it off. Now, what I'm going to do is make sure that stuff stays down on the end. I'm going to cut that off, get a pair of scissors. Cut's very easy. Well, easier than whatever. I'm just going to take and do this. Just to make sure while I'm... got a new pair of clamps here. Got a couple new pair. A couple little small ones here. Just looking to see if there's any edges on them. I'm going to put a little tape on the edge. And open them up. Just to make sure that chrome stays down, that's all. And I'll take it off on the next one. And then do the next one with it. Just don't want to damage the chrome, so that's why I'm putting the tape on. Come on. Just gonna put that on there like so. Just put it on easy, so it'll barely stay, I guess. Don't want to dent it, just want to hold it. You know what I'm trying to tell you. There. Do we have enough for another? Now, I do not throw this away. It just goes in my goodie box in there. That's where it goes, in my goodie box. And the reason being, because I never know when there's something else that I want to do. Put that in there like that. Pair of scissors to open this up. And we generally want to rub it and make it. That's how easy I had that on there. It fell off.